Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to use Keyboard Extension to create and configure a slider that controls your PC's volume from your smartphone in any app or game. Before you begin, pair the Keyboard Extension app for Windows with the Keyboard Extension mobile app. Unauthorized users cannot create or modify widgets, so make sure you're logged in. We'll demonstrate volume control using Google Chrome as an example. Keyboard Extension already has a widget for this browser, so it will open automatically when you launch it, but we'll create a new one. Let's name our widget Volume Control right away. Next, select one of the sliders from the preset panel. Use the Track tool, then select Position Value and Plugin. Tap the folder icon on the right to access the list of available plugins. Only highlighted plugins are compatible with sliders. Choose the plugin called Volume Control, then plugin parameter Current Volume Level. Go back to configure the Action tool. Here, you also need to go to the list of plugins and select Volume Control, then plugin parameter New Volume Level. Done. Now let's create a button that will mute and unmute the sound with a single tap. There's already a suitable preset for this in the Toggle category. First, let's use the State tool. Go to Selected State and Plugin. This time, we'll need the Mute Control plugin with the Current Mute State parameters. Go back to set the icon's color to change when the sound is muted. To do this, go to State 1, select Icon, then Tint, and choose a suitable color. I'll go with gray. We're almost done. Let's go back to the Tools menu and use Action. Here, in the list of plugins, you also need to select Mute Control and New Mute State parameters. Done. Now let's save our widget and test it out. First, let's try the slider. Now let's mute and unmute it. That works perfectly. Check out my other tutorials as well. In them, I cover the rest of the useful features of Keyboard Extension.